push the boundaries of what we know. Space tourism offers a new frontier to explore, a chance to see the universe from a perspective few have ever witnessed than a vacation. It's a transformative experience that changes the way we see the world and our place in it. So, are you ready to take the leap and embark on the ultimate adventure? How is space tourism becoming possible? One word: reusability. Rockets used to be single-use vehicles: launch, deploy, discard. This made space travel incredibly expensive. But companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are changing the game. They're building reusable rockets. Rockets that can launch, land back on Earth, and be used again. This innovation is driving down the cost of space travel, making it more accessible to everyone, not just governments and billionaires. Reusable rockets are key to unlocking the potential of space tourism. So what awaits you on a space vacation? First, imagine floating in weightlessness. You can drift effortlessly, like an astronaut in a space station. Then, picture gazing out the window at Earth. Our blue planet, a swirling sphere of clouds and continents, set against the backdrop of the endless black void. And don't forget the sunrise from space. Imagine witnessing the sun cresting over the Earth's horizon, bathing our planet in a golden glow. These are just a few of the unforgettable experiences that await space tourists. Companies are already planning to build hotels in orbit. Imagine checking into a luxurious space station. You could enjoy gourmet meals with panoramic views of Earth. These hotels could offer artificial gravity, so you wouldn't have to worry about constantly floating around. Imagine playing zero-gravity sports in a spacious recreation area. Orbital hotels will offer a unique and unforgettable way to experience space. Imagine waking up to a sunrise over a different part of the world every morning. Section 5. The cost of reaching for the stars. Is space tourism for everyone? Of course, space tourism is still in its early stages, and yes, it's currently very expensive. Tickets for a suborbital flight can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. But remember, the first airplane flights were also incredibly expensive. Over time, as technology advanced and demand grew, air travel became more affordable. The same will happen with space tourism. As reusable rockets become more common and competition increases, the cost of space travel will continue to decrease. Section 6. Ensuring safety among the stars. The importance of reliable spacecraft. Safety is paramount in space travel. Companies developing spacecraft for tourists prioritize passenger safety above all else. These spacecraft undergo rigorous testing to ensure they can withstand the stresses of launch and spaceflight. They're equipped with multiple redundant systems to ensure safety in case of an emergency, and future space tourists will receive comprehensive training before their flight. They'll learn about the spacecraft, safety procedures, and how to handle the unique challenges of being in space. Section 7. The future of space tourism, a universe of possibilities. The future of space tourism is incredibly exciting. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities are endless. Imagine lunar bases where tourists can experience the moon's low gravity and explore its desolate beauty. Or perhaps even flights to Mars, the red planet that has captivated our imaginations for centuries. As space tourism evolves, so too will the experiences it offers. We can expect to see even more innovative and awe-inspiring ways to explore the cosmos. Section 8. Space tourism, a catalyst for innovation and inspiration. Space tourism is about more than just vacations. It's an emerging industry that promises to revolutionize how we perceive travel and exploration. Imagine boarding a spacecraft and leaving Earth's atmosphere, experiencing the awe-inspiring view of our planet from space. This isn't just a dream, it's becoming a reality. It's about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to develop new technologies that make space travel safer, more efficient, and accessible to more people. The challenges they face are immense, but the potential rewards are even greater. It's about inspiring future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. When children look through a telescope or visit a space exhibit, they see the possibilities that lie beyond our world. These experiences ignite their curiosity and passion for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The technologies developed for space tourism will have applications here on Earth. Innovations in spacecraft design, life support systems, and propulsion technologies can lead to advancements in other industries, from healthcare to transportation. From advancements in materials science, where new, stronger, and lighter materials are being created, to new forms of renewable energy, such as solar power harvested in space and beamed back to Earth, the benefits of space exploration are far-reaching. Satellites launched into orbit provide critical data for weather forecasting, communications, and navigation, impacting our daily lives in countless ways. And perhaps most importantly, space tourism has the power to unite us. When people from different countries and cultures come together to explore space, they build bridges of understanding and cooperation. The shared goal of exploring the cosmos transcends borders and fosters a sense of global community. When we look back at Earth from space, we see a single planet, home to all of humanity. This perspective reminds us of our shared responsibility to protect and preserve our planet for future generations. Space tourism not only opens new frontiers but also deepens our appreciation for the world we call home. Section 9. Reaching for the Stars, Space Tourism by 2035 and Beyond. By 2035, space tourism will no longer be a novelty. It will have evolved into a mainstream industry, much like air travel did in the 20th century. The dream of venturing beyond our planet will be accessible to many, not just the elite few. It will be a thriving industry. Spaceports will be bustling with activity filled with eager travelers ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Families, friends, and solo explorers will all be part of this new era of travel. More and more people will have the opportunity to experience the wonders of space firsthand. Imagine the thrill of floating in zero gravity, the awe of looking out a spacecraft window and seeing the vastness of space stretch out before you. Imagine telling your grandkids stories about your trip to orbit, about floating in weightlessness, and the unique sensation of moving without the pull of gravity. These stories will become cherished family memories, passed down through generations, seeing the Earth from afar, a beautiful blue marble suspended in the darkness of space. The perspective gained from such a view is profound, offering a new appreciation for our home planet and the breathtaking beauty of the cosmos. The stars, galaxies, and nebulae will be closer than ever, their beauty magnified by the absence of Earth's atmosphere. Tourists will capture these moments, sharing them with the world. Space tourism is within reach. With advancements in technology, booking a space tour will be as simple as booking a flight. Cutting-edge spacecraft will ensure safety and comfort, making the journey as smooth as possible. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our thirst for exploration, and our desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to make space travel more accessible and affordable, paving the way for a new era of exploration. So, pack your bags, space awaits. The final frontier is no longer a distant dream but a tangible reality. The stars are calling, and it's time for humanity to answer. Whether you're an adventurer at heart or simply curious about the universe, space tourism offers an unparalleled experience. Get ready to embark on a journey that will change the way you see the world and beyond. A giant leap for humanity, from dreams to reality. Space travel, the final frontier, a realm that has fascinated humanity for centuries. For centuries, it remained a distant dream. The night sky, filled with twinkling stars, has always been a source of wonder and inspiration. Ancient civilizations used rudimentary telescopes to gaze at the heavens, mapping the stars and planets, dreaming of what lay beyond. It was confined to the pages of science fiction novels and the imaginations of dreamers. Writers like Jules Verne and H.G. Wells painted vivid pictures of space travel, igniting the imaginations of countless readers. These stories, though fictional, planted the seeds of possibility in the minds of future scientists and explorers. Yet, in just a few decades, we have witnessed an incredible transformation. The timeline of space missions shows a rapid progression from the first tentative steps into space to the sophisticated missions of today. Each launch, each mission brought us closer to turning those dreams into reality. Space travel is no longer a fantasy. The International Space Station orbits Earth, a testament to international cooperation and human ingenuity. Manned space missions are now routine, with astronauts living and working in space for extended periods. It is rapidly becoming a reality. Spacecraft regularly dock with the space station, and astronauts conduct experiments that push the boundaries of our knowledge. Modern space capsules are designed with advanced technology, making space travel safer and more efficient. Just a few decades ago, the idea of ordinary citizens venturing into space seemed unimaginable. The early space missions were fraught with challenges. Vintage space technology, though groundbreaking at the time, was primitive by today's standards. Early spacesuits were bulky and cumbersome, designed to protect astronauts from the harsh environment of space. The cost was astronomical, the technology was limited to government agencies, and the risks were incredibly high. Mission control rooms were filled with scientists and engineers working tirelessly to ensure the success of each mission. The stakes were high, and failure was not an option. Space travel was the exclusive domain of a select few highly trained astronauts. These pioneers underwent rigorous training, preparing for the physical and mental challenges of space travel. They were the best of the best, chosen for their skills, knowledge, and bravery. They were the pioneers of a new frontier, venturing into the unknown on behalf of all humankind. The moon landing was a monumental achievement, a moment that captured the world's imagination. Astronauts planting the flag on the lunar surface symbolized the triumph of human spirit and determination. Today we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, an era of space tourism. Modern spacecraft are designed with comfort and safety in mind, paving the way for ordinary citizens to experience the wonders of space. Concept art of futuristic spaceports shows a vision of a future where space travel is accessible to all. What was once impossible is now within reach. People gather excitedly to watch spacecraft launches, counting down the seconds to lift off. Private space companies are leading the charge, making space travel a reality for more than just a select few. Private companies are investing billions of dollars in developing new technologies. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are at the forefront of this new space race. Their innovative designs and ambitious goals are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. These advancements will make space travel safer, more affordable, and accessible to the public. Engineers are working tirelessly to develop new rocket designs and test space technology. Each breakthrough brings us one step closer to making space travel a part of everyday life. The dream of space travel is rapidly transitioning from an exclusive privilege to an inclusive opportunity. A diverse group of people from all walks of life are training to become space tourists. Advertisements for space tours are becoming more common, promising an experience like no other. By 2040, space tourism may become as commonplace as air travel. Futuristic airports with spacecraft ready for boarding are no longer just a figment of our imagination. Travel booking interfaces are being designed to make booking a space trip as easy as booking a flight. Imagine a future where you can book a trip to space just as easily as you book a flight to a tropical island. Online booking platforms and apps are being developed to streamline the process, making space travel accessible to everyone. This is the promise of space tourism. The scenic view of Earth from space, the awe-inspiring sight of our planet from above, is no longer reserved for astronauts. Space tourists will soon have the opportunity to experience this breathtaking view, making the dream of space travel a reality for all. Pioneering the final frontier technological marvels. The journey towards affordable and accessible space tourism hinges on groundbreaking technological advancements. These advancements are not just about reaching space, but making it a sustainable and economically viable endeavor for the future. Among these, reusable rockets and advanced life support systems are paramount. They represent the cutting edge of space technology, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Reusable rockets spearheaded by companies like SpaceX have revolutionized space travel. These rockets can be launched multiple times, drastically reducing the cost and resources needed for each mission. Traditionally, rockets were discarded after a single use. This method was not only wasteful but also incredibly expensive, limiting the frequency and scope of space missions. This dramatically drove up the cost of each launch, making space travel an exclusive domain for government agencies and a few private enterprises. Reusable rockets, however, can launch, land back on Earth, and be refurbished for subsequent missions. This process involves inspecting, repairing, and testing the rockets to ensure they are ready for the next journey. This innovation significantly reduces the cost of space travel, making it more feasible for commercial purposes. Companies can now plan multiple missions without the prohibitive costs associated with building new rockets for each launch. Equally crucial are advancements in life support systems. These systems are the backbone of human space exploration, ensuring that astronauts can live and work in space for extended periods. These systems are essential for sustaining human life in the harsh environment of space. They provide breathable air, regulate temperature, and manage waste, creating a livable environment in the vacuum of space. They provide breathable air, regulate temperature, and manage waste. Without these systems, long-term human presence in space would be impossible. Miniaturization and increased efficiency of these systems are making them lighter, more compact, and less expensive. This is crucial for reducing the payload weight and cost of space missions. This is vital for making long-duration spaceflights more practical and affordable. As we look towards missions to Mars and beyond, these advancements will be key to our success. The dream of establishing human colonies on other planets is becoming more tangible with each technological breakthrough. These innovations are not just about exploration, but about creating a new frontier for humanity. Space tourism is also on the horizon, with companies planning to offer trips to space for private individuals. This could open up space travel to a broader audience, making it a part of everyday life. As we continue to develop and refine these technologies, the possibilities for space exploration and habitation are expanding. The future of space travel is bright, and the technological marvels of today are paving the way for the adventures of tomorrow. Launching the future spaceports, gateways to the stars. With the rise of space tourism, the need for dedicated infrastructure on Earth becomes paramount. As more private companies and even nations invest in space travel, the demand for specialized facilities to support these ventures is growing exponentially. This is where spaceports come into play. These advanced facilities are not just about launching rockets, they represent the future of human exploration and connectivity. More than just launch pads, spaceports will evolve into bustling hubs of activity. They will be the epicenters of innovation, commerce, and travel, much like today's major airports but on a grander scale. They will serve as gateways to the stars. Imagine boarding a spacecraft as easily as you would a plane, with destinations that extend beyond our planet. Imagine state-of-the-art terminals designed for passenger comfort. These terminals will feature cutting-edge technology to ensure a seamless travel experience from check-in to boarding. Travelers will undergo pre-flight preparations, attend briefings, and enjoy luxurious amenities before embarking on their cosmic adventure. These amenities could include everything from fine dining to virtual reality experiences that simulate the journey ahead. Spaceports will also house research facilities, training centers for future astronauts, and hangars for spacecraft maintenance and assembly. These facilities will be crucial for the ongoing development and safety of space travel. The location of these spaceports is strategically crucial. Coastal areas are ideal due to their proximity to the ocean, which allows for safer launch trajectories over water. Coastal areas, with their proximity to the ocean, allowing for safer launch trajectories over water, and favorable weather conditions, will be prime locations. These sites also offer the added benefit of being away from densely populated areas, minimizing risk in the event of a launch failure. As demand grows, we can anticipate a global network of spaceports. This network will facilitate international space travel, making it possible to journey from one continent to another in a matter of hours. These will connect major cities to the final frontier, making space travel readily accessible. Imagine a world where traveling to space is as common as flying to another country, opening up endless possibilities for exploration, commerce, and even tourism. Section 4. A stellar getaway, luxury, and entertainment among the stars. Space tourism isn't just about the journey, it's also about the destination. Once in orbit, travelers will be greeted with a plethora of out-of-this-world experiences. Luxury space hotels, orbiting entertainment centers, and breathtaking views of Earth will redefine the very concept of a vacation. Imagine waking up in a luxurious space hotel suite, weightlessly drifting to a panoramic window. You'll witness the sunrise over the Earth's curvature. Gourmet meals, prepared with a space-age twist, will be served with a side of celestial views. For the thrill seekers, specialized pods could offer simulated zero-gravity sports and recreational activities. Imagine playing zero-gravity basketball or enjoying a weightless dance floor. The possibilities for entertainment in space are as limitless as the universe itself. Section 5. United in exploration, the power of collaboration. The future of space tourism isn't solely reliant on private companies, it hinges on international collaboration. Governments and space agencies worldwide play a crucial role in fostering this new industry. International partnerships are essential for sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise. By pooling their collective wisdom, nations can accelerate technological advancements, establish safety regulations, and ensure the sustainable development of space tourism. These collaborations will be instrumental in creating a robust and thriving space tourism industry. Moreover, international cooperation will be crucial in addressing the legal and ethical considerations surrounding space tourism. Issues such as space debris mitigation, responsible use of space resources, and the preservation of celestial environments need careful consideration and global consent. The thrill of launch, the wonder of weightlessness, the awe of seeing Earth from space. These are experiences that will stay with you forever. Memorable adventure, a vacation among the stars. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, is known for its ambitious goals. Since its inception in 2002, the company has revolutionized the space industry with its innovative approach and groundbreaking technologies. Musk's vision extends far beyond Earth, aiming to make space travel as common as air travel. They aim to colonize Mars and make humanity a multi-planetary species. This bold objective involves developing the Starship spacecraft, designed to carry humans to the Red Planet and beyond. The vision includes building sustainable habitats, growing food, and creating a new society on Mars. Blue Origin, led by Jeff Bezos, envisions millions of people living and working in space. Founded in 2000, Blue Origin focuses on making space travel more affordable and accessible. Bezos believes that humanity's future lies in space, where we can harness unlimited resources and ensure the survival of our species. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic focuses on providing suborbital space tourism experiences. Since its founding in 2004, Virgin Galactic has been at the forefront of commercial space travel, offering ordinary people the chance to experience the thrill of spaceflight and view Earth from the edge of space. These companies are pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. Their teams of engineers and scientists are constantly developing new technologies to make space travel safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. From advanced propulsion systems to cutting-edge materials, their work is paving the way for the future of space exploration. They are developing reusable rockets, advanced spacecraft, and space infrastructure. Reusable rockets like SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Blue Origin's New Shepard are reducing the cost of space missions by allowing rockets to be flown multiple times. Advanced spacecraft interiors are being designed to ensure the comfort and safety of astronauts on long-duration missions. Their efforts are driving down the cost of space travel. By reusing rockets and developing more efficient technologies, these companies are making space missions more affordable. This cost reduction is crucial for the future of space exploration, as it allows more missions to be launched and more discoveries to be made. This makes it more accessible to a wider audience. As the cost of space travel decreases, more people will have the opportunity to experience space. This democratization of space travel is inspiring a new generation of space enthusiasts and opening up new possibilities for scientific research and commercial ventures. The dream of space tourism is becoming more attainable with each passing day. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are making it possible for ordinary people to experience the wonders of space. From floating in zero gravity to staying in futuristic space hotels, the future of space tourism is bright and full of exciting possibilities. Imagine floating effortlessly, weightless in the vastness of space. This is the experience of zero gravity. It's a feeling of liberation, a sensation like no other on Earth. Astronauts often describe it as exhilarating and freeing. Imagine playing zero-gravity sports or simply enjoying the novelty of floating. This unique environment offers a playground for the senses. It allows us to move and interact in ways we never thought possible. The experience of weightlessness is a major draw for many aspiring space tourists. Seeing Earth from space is a life-changing experience. Astronauts often talk about the overview effect. This is a profound shift in perspective that comes from seeing our planet from afar. From space, Earth appears as a fragile oasis, a blue marble suspended in the void. This view highlights the interconnectedness of all life. It underscores the importance of protecting our planet. Imagine witnessing the beauty of Earth's sunrise and sunset from orbit. Imagine seeing the continents and oceans laid out before you. This perspective is a powerful reminder of our place in the cosmos. Section 5. Reaching for the High Frontier. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the dream of space travel is becoming a reality. By 2045, space tourism could be a multi-billion-dollar industry. Imagine rockets launching with the same frequency as commercial flights today, taking adventurers to the stars. Reusable rockets and advanced spacecraft will make space travel more affordable. These innovations will reduce costs and increase accessibility, allowing more people to experience the wonders of space. Space hotels and lunar bases might become vacation destinations. Picture yourself checking into a hotel that orbits Earth, offering breathtaking views of our planet from every room. Imagine spending a week in orbit gazing at the stars. The serenity of space combined with the thrill of zero gravity would make for an unforgettable vacation. Imagine taking a lunar rover for a spin on the moon. Exploring the lunar landscape with its craters and valleys would be an adventure like no other. These are just some of the possibilities that the future of space tourism holds. From spacewalks to interplanetary travel, the opportunities are endless. While challenges remain, the potential for growth and innovation is enormous. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to overcome the hurdles of space travel, ensuring safety and sustainability. Space tourism is no longer a question of if, but when. The countdown has begun, and soon, the final frontier will be within reach for all of us. The future of space travel is bright, and the possibilities are limitless. Section 6. Space travel for everyone? The cost of space travel is a significant barrier for most people. However, technological advancements and increased competition are driving down prices. Reusable rockets, like those developed by SpaceX, significantly reduce launch costs. As technology advances and space tourism gains popularity, we can expect prices to continue to drop. This will open up space travel to a wider range of people. Imagine a future where a trip to space is as commonplace as a flight across the ocean. Catalyst for this new era of discovery. Section 8. Expanding our cosmic perspective. Space travel offers a unique perspective on humanity. It allows us to see beyond our differences and appreciate our shared home. Imagine a future where people from all walks of life can experience the awe of space travel. This shared experience could foster a sense of global citizenship and cooperation. It could help us address challenges here on Earth, such as climate change and resource depletion. Space tourism has the potential to unite us in our quest to explore the cosmos and understand our place in it. Section 9. Are we ready for the cosmos? The future of space travel is full of promise and potential. It holds the key to scientific discoveries, technological advancements, and a deeper understanding of ourselves. But it also raises important questions. Are we ready for the responsibility that comes with exploring the cosmos? How will space tourism impact our planet and our society? These are questions we must grapple with as we venture further into the great unknown. The future of space travel is in our hands. Let's make sure we're ready. Imagine this. The year is 2050. You're on vacation, but not just any vacation. You're walking on the moon. This might sound like science fiction, but it could be closer than you think. Space tourism is rapidly developing, with the goal of making space accessible to everyone, not just astronauts. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars and dreamt of exploring the cosmos. What was once a distant dream is now becoming a tangible reality. Companies around the world are investing in technologies that will make space travel more affordable and accessible in the coming decades. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, holds a particular allure. It's a symbol of human ambition and exploration. Soon, it could be a vacation destination. Imagine experiencing the moon's low gravity, gazing back at Earth, and exploring its unique landscapes. This is the future of space tourism, and it's closer than you might think. Let's embark on a journey to explore how this incredible feat will be achieved. The dream of space tourism is already becoming a reality. What once seemed like a distant fantasy, confined to the realms of science fiction, is now on the brink of becoming an everyday possibility. The vision of ordinary people traveling to space, experiencing the wonders of the cosmos firsthand, is closer than ever before. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are leading the charge, developing innovative technologies to make space travel more accessible. These trailblazing organizations are not just building rockets. They are crafting the future of human exploration and adventure. Their relentless pursuit of innovation is transforming the way we think about our place in the universe. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, is known for its powerful rockets like the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. These engineering marvels are designed to carry heavy payloads into space, opening up new possibilities for scientific research, satellite deployment, and even interplanetary travel. Musk's vision extends far beyond Earth's orbit, with ambitious plans to colonize Mars and make humanity a multiplanetary species. These rockets are designed for reusability, a key factor in reducing the cost of space travel. By landing and refurbishing rockets for multiple flights, SpaceX is drastically cutting down the expenses associated with space missions. This approach is akin to the aviation industry, where planes are used for numerous flights, making air travel affordable and widespread. Imagine airlines using a new plane for every flight. The cost would be astronomical, making air travel a luxury only a few could afford. Similarly, the reusability of rockets is a game changer for space travel, making it more economically viable and accessible to a broader audience. That's how rocket launches used to be, but SpaceX is changing the game. By perfecting the technology of reusable rockets, they are setting new standards in the aerospace industry. This innovation not only reduces costs but also minimizes waste, contributing to more sustainable space exploration practices. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, is another major player in the space tourism industry. With a focus on making space travel safe, reliable, and affordable, Blue Origin is developing cutting-edge technologies to bring the dream of space tourism to life. Bezos envisions a future where millions of people live and work in space, harnessing its vast resources for the benefit of Earth. They are developing reusable rockets like the New Shepard, designed for suborbital tourism, offering breathtaking views of Earth from the edge of space. These short but exhilarating trips provide passengers with a unique perspective of our planet, fostering a deeper appreciation for its beauty and fragility. Virgin Galactic, founded by Richard Branson, focuses on providing a more personalized space tourism experience. Branson's vision is to make space travel an accessible adventure for everyone, not just professional astronauts. By creating a luxurious and intimate journey, Virgin Galactic aims to make each trip a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Their spacecraft, VSS Unity, is designed to carry a small number of passengers on suborbital flights, offering a taste of weightlessness and stunning views of our planet. The experience of floating in microgravity, combined with the awe-inspiring sight of Earth from space, is something that words can hardly describe. It's a journey that promises to change the way we see our world and our place in it. These companies are pioneers, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and paving the way for a future where space travel is no longer limited to a select few. Their efforts are not just about reaching new heights, but about expanding the horizons of human potential. As they continue to innovate and inspire, the dream of space tourism becomes more tangible, bringing us closer to a new era of exploration and discovery. One of the biggest hurdles to widespread space tourism is the cost. The dream of venturing into the cosmos has always been tantalizing, but the financial barrier has kept it out of reach for most people. Launching a rocket into space has traditionally been an incredibly expensive endeavor, often costing hundreds of millions of dollars for a single mission. This high cost is due to the complex engineering, materials, and labor required to build a rocket capable of escaping Earth's gravity. But that's changing thanks to reusable rocket technology. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pioneering this innovative approach, which promises to revolutionize space travel. Think about it this way. Imagine if you had to buy a new car every time you went for a drive. The cost would be astronomical, and only the wealthiest individuals could afford to travel by car. That's how rocket launches used to work. Each mission required a brand new rocket, which was then discarded after just one use. This single-use model made space travel prohibitively expensive. Each launch required a brand new rocket, which was then discarded after just one use. The manufacturing process was labor-intensive and costly, contributing to the high price of space missions. Reusable rockets like those being developed by SpaceX and Blue Origin are changing the economics of space travel. These rockets are designed to be launched, recovered, and then launched again multiple times, significantly reducing the cost per mission. These rockets are designed to launch into space, deliver their payload, and then return to Earth for a safe landing, ready to be used again. This reusability is a game changer, as it allows for the same rocket to be used for multiple missions, spreading the cost of manufacturing over many launches. This reusability drastically reduces the cost of each launch, making space travel more affordable and accessible to a wider range of people. The reduction in cost is not just theoretical, it's already being realized with each successful mission. As the technology continues to advance and more reusable rockets are built, the price of a ticket to space will continue to drop. This will open up opportunities for not just scientists and astronauts, but also for private individuals and tourists who dream of experiencing space. bringing us closer to a future where space tourism is within reach of many. Imagine a world where a trip to space is as common as a flight across the country. The advancements in reusable rocket technology are paving the way for this exciting future, making the final frontier more accessible than ever before. Section 4. Orbital Oasis, your home away from home. Imagine waking up in a hotel room, but instead of looking out at a city skyline, you see the Earth below, a breathtaking blue sphere against the backdrop of space. The view is unlike anything you've ever seen before, a mesmerizing sight that reminds you of the vastness and beauty of our planet. The curvature of the Earth, the swirling clouds, and the deep blue oceans create a scene that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. This is the promise of orbital hotels, luxurious accommodations orbiting our planet, offering guests a unique and unforgettable experience. Imagine stepping into your room, where every detail has been meticulously designed to provide comfort and luxury. The sleek modern furnishings, the state-of-the-art technology, and the panoramic windows that offer uninterrupted views of space, all contribute to an experience that is truly out of this world. These hotels, still in the conceptual stage, would provide all the amenities you'd expect from a luxury hotel, but with an out-of-this-world twist. Picture a grand lobby with floating chandeliers, a spa offering zero-gravity massages, and a fitness center where you can work out while gazing at the stars. Every aspect of the hotel is designed to enhance your stay and make you feel like you're living in the future. Imagine enjoying gourmet meals while gazing down at Earth prepared by world-class chefs who have mastered the art of cooking in space. The menu features a variety of dishes, each one crafted to perfection and designed to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're enjoying a 5-course dinner or a simple breakfast, the experience is elevated by the stunning view of our planet below. Relaxing in a zero-gravity lounge where you can float effortlessly and feel the stress of everyday life melt away. The lounge is a serene space with soft lighting and soothing music, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and relaxation. It's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the sensation of weightlessness, or participating in spacewalks with stunning views. Imagine donning a spacesuit and stepping outside the hotel, where you can float in the vacuum of space and take in the breathtaking sights. The experience is both exhilarating and humbling, as you realize the vastness of the universe and your place within it. One of the most exciting aspects of orbital hotels is the potential for artificial gravity. This innovative technology could revolutionize space travel, making it more accessible and comfortable for everyone. By creating a sensation of gravity, guests can move around the hotel with ease, enjoy their meals without worrying about floating food, and sleep comfortably in their beds. By rotating the hotel, engineers can create a sensation of gravity, making it easier for guests to adapt to the space environment and enjoy their stay. This technology not only enhances the comfort of the guests, but also ensures their safety, as it reduces the physical strain of living in a zero-gravity environment. While still in the early stages of development, orbital hotels represent the future of luxury space tourism, offering a unique and unforgettable way to experience the wonders of space. As technology advances and our understanding of space travel grows, these hotels will become a reality, providing an unparalleled experience for those seeking adventure and luxury. The dream of living among the stars is closer than ever, and soon, you could find yourself calling an orbital hotel your home away from home. Section 5. Ensuring safe travels, space regulations. As we venture further into the cosmos, safety remains paramount. Just like we have rules for air travel, space tourism requires robust safety protocols and regulations to ensure the well-being of passengers and the sustainability of the industry. International cooperation will be crucial in establishing these regulations. Space agencies like NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and others will need to work together to develop comprehensive safety standards for spacecraft, crew training, and space traffic management. These regulations will cover everything from spacecraft design and maintenance to crew qualifications and emergency procedures. The goal is to minimize risks and ensure the safety of space tourists while fostering a sustainable and responsible space tourism industry. Just as air travel evolved to become safer and more accessible over time, so too will space tourism. With careful planning, rigorous safety protocols, and international collaboration, we can ensure that space tourism is not only an incredible adventure, but a safe and well-regulated